Hey guys, it's Savannah. So, quick disclaimer, don't look at my eyebrows. I know, I'm growing them out. Yeah, we're not going to talk about that. Today, I'm going to talk about hair. Not eyebrow hair. Hair. I have luscious, long locks. I'm cutting my hair soon, so I thought that I would share my little tidbits and secrets on how to grow your hair while it's still long. And I can show you how long my hair is and how to get it long. So I have some tips that I'm going to put in this video, so yeah. Also, I just put like a product in it and made it lighter. So if I'm touching it a lot, that is why it feels a little weird. So my first tip is to not wash your hair every day. I used to wash my hair every single day, and it was still really long, but it wasn't healthy really, because you're stripping your hair of its natural oils every time you wash your hair, so it's good to let it breathe for a little bit. Even if you have greasy hair, you can just use dry shampoo. It's better for your hair in the long run, and having a greasy hair day isn't that bad, really. But since I started dyeing my hair, I only wash it every couple days. I definitely don't wash it every day. I let it breathe for a couple days. I used to go like a full week without washing my hair, and it really didn't look like it, so. The next one is wash your hair with cooler water. I do not take cold showers, and I'm not going to lie and tell you that I do. I take very hot showers, but when it comes to time to touch my hair with the water, when I'm washing my hair, putting conditioner in it, I change the water a little bit cooler and then put my hair back and, you know, enjoy the hot water. Washing your hair with cold water does not mean taking cold showers. You can still have very nice warm showers, but try not to touch your hair with really hot water or really hot heat without protection, because your hair will not be happy. My next thing is when your hair is wet, make sure to use a wide tooth comb. I really only ever use a wide tooth comb, one of these, because when your hair is wet, it's a lot easier to break. It's prone to breakage because your hair is more fragile when it's wet, and so if you're using a normal brush, probably going to lose more hair than usual. So definitely use a wide tooth comb and brush from the bottom going up, because if you're brushing down and you have tangles, it's going to be really hard to get it through. So get these tangles out of the way first, and then you'll brush it a lot smoother. So yeah. Next thing, if you're going to blow dry your hair or straighten it or curl it or do anything, make sure you use a heat protectant. I didn't use a heat protectant for so long because I wasn't really, I was straightening my hair sometimes, but I didn't think it was that big of an issue, but it really is, especially if you're playing with color and bleaching your hair and damaging it. You definitely need some heat protectant. I use this one. It's by Tresemme. Has a pump, and I really like it, and it's been working pretty well at keeping my hair not fried when I straighten it, you know. So yeah, if you're looking for a heat protectant, this one was like $7, so make sure you use a heat protectant. My next one is just like products in general, probably. I use these products all the time. This one is a Pantene conditioning spray. It's a leave-in conditioning spray. It's a detangler, whatever you want to call it. When my hair is wet, I put it in a towel for like a little bit, and then I spray it with this, and then I brush it with a wide tooth comb and just let it air dry or blow dry it with heat protectant. This other one is a texturizing spray. It has sea salt in it, and you like do this with your hair and you put it in, and it makes it a little bigger, I like to think. I'm not seeing a difference, so don't get one. My next thing is I do a lot of masks. This is one mask I use. It's the Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioning Hair Mask. And you just, after you take a shower, when your hair is still wet, you just put it all over your hair and like put your hair up, and then just go do whatever for like an hour or two, you know, and then go rinse it out, and your hair will thank you for it. Or you can put coconut oil in it. You can get like the more like squishy kind. Or if you get the coconut oil that's a little harder, you can melt it in the microwave to complete liquid and put it on your hair like that. I've done it like that too. Coconut oil is really good for your hair, and it's really good for your nails too, so it's really good. You don't need to trim your hair that much. I mean, I think you can tell when you have split ends. A trick, you can braid your hair and you can see the split ends from there, and you can see them and you can just cut them a little bit. You don't really need to get a trim like every month. I don't know how much it is. I really don't get trims. Try not to bleach your hair too much, or dye it, or put harsh chemicals in it. I obviously do. Just because I like fun colors in my hair, I like experimenting with color and product and stuff. I always like to have different colored hair, so, you know. Just make sure you're being smart with your hair. If you see it starting to struggle, then stop for a little bit. I always wait 2 months between bleaching sessions, or lightening sessions. Do not bleach your hair within 2 months. It'll be a lot worse, you know. Give it time to breathe, maybe do a few hair masks and then bleach it again. Yeah. Now here's one that I've only done once, but it feels good. One, you can lay upside down or just like this and get some coconut oil or something and just massage your scalp really good. It feels good, and it brings the blood rushing to your scalp, and it gets blood flowing up here a little bit more, which means more activity in your scalp. And yeah, your hair might grow a little faster. I don't know. Or you can use one of these. It hits all of the pressure points in your scalp, and it feels really good. And it really gets blood flowing up there too, and you can just do this all the time. It feels really good. You can get those from like Sally's or Walmart or Target, nowhere like special. So yeah, none of these are going to guarantee to make your hair grow faster, quicker, and I'm not a hair professional yet. So I'm not saying that these are guaranteed, that this is going to work, but they might help because I have really long hair. And so I obviously must be doing something right. I've always kind of had long hair, but about 2 years ago I cut it kind of short. I thought it wasn't that short, but I'm about to cut it to like here. That's a lot for me, so before it's short, I wanted to make I wanted to make a video dedicated to me having long hair before it's gone. I am going to video me getting my hair cut off, so that's gonna be fun, and I'm gonna put that on YouTube also, so that's great. So yeah, if you like me, if you like my hair, you can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, whatever you want. It's all in the description below. I'll link some products too that I think really help grow your hair, or really good for your hair if you are interested. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.